Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shopping list. So you can do this inside your Costco application, or you can open your web browser and come here on costco.com. You just have to first of all log in into your account, then simply click on the option of account. Now inside the option of account, you will be shown a bunch of different options. So you need to simply just look for the option of lists. Now as soon as you click on the option of list, you will be landed here on this particular lists page, where it is going to show you all of the items that are available inside the list that you have created. So over here, in order to create a new list, simply click on the option of create new list. Afterwards, you just have to simply provide the name of your list, and then you just have to click on the option of create new list. Now once the list been created over here, you can just simply click on the list, and then you can just simply select the items, and you can basically add the items over here, or you can even remove it. So that's how basically you can create a shopping list. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.